Speed, skill, sacrifice. You can buy a fast car, but you can't buy respect. You have to earn it. Today, we're diving into the miniature world of automotive warfare, where the goal isn't just winning, it's becoming a legend. Welcome to the Hobby Entertainment Channel. We're not looking at street cars today. We are looking at machines built for one thing: visible achievement. We are talking about race history, extreme modification, and the battle for validation from the toughest crowd in the world, the car community. Our focus is the cult of glory, race trophies, and community recognition. Get ready. We start with the benchmark of certified prestige, the Tomica Premium Nismo R34 GTR Z-Tune. This isn't a customized car, it's a pinnacle of tuning approved by the manufacturer itself. The Z-Tune is validation through perfection. Nismo took the legendary R34, stripped it down, and rebuilt it using parts originally designed for the GT500 race cars. Only 20 were ever built. It's a road car that carries the weight of racing history and the stamp of factory approval. Host holds the model, emphasizing the quality of the Tomica premium line. In the community, owning a Z-Tune, even this Tomica miniature, means you understand the depth of engineering. This diecast represents a formal trophy. The visible achievement here is technical perfection and rarity. It proves that when the factory commits its ultimate resources, the result is legendary. This model is the quiet confidence of a true champion. It doesn't have to shout to be recognized. Its heritage screams louder than any spoiler.
Di dalam hati kita temukan jalan menghadapi dunia dengan keyakinan.
Now, let's talk about a different kind of validation: controversy. Enter the Mini GT LB Silhouette Nissan GTR Liberty Walk. Liberty Walk isn't about factory perfection, it's about defiance. Their visible achievement is gaining worldwide recognition by intentionally violating the rulebook of automotive design. They chop up million-dollar supercars and bolt on wide, riveted fenders. It's controversial, it's loud, and it absolutely demands attention. Why does this GTR become a trophy? Because in the age of social media, attention equals currency. This diecast represents the modern showman, the one who sacrifices traditional beauty standards for maximum public validation. You can hate the style, but you cannot ignore it. It's a global statement that screams, "I build cars for me, and if you hate it, you're still talking about me." This model captures the raw, unfiltered ego of modern car culture.
Kan terus maju bersama kita terbang tinggi di antara bintang-bintang dalam setiap detikku rasakan energi. Tak perlu kata-kata, hanya kau dan aku.
We finish with the purest form of earned respect, the duel. The Mini GT Nissan Silvia S15 Super Silhouette Formula Drift Japan. Unlike the Z-Tune, whose fame is sealed, or the LBWK, whose fame is controversial, the drifting S15 earns its validation in real time, under high pressure. Drifting is automotive performance and performance art. The visible achievement isn't just crossing the finish line first, it's mastering the aesthetic of control at the very edge of chaos. This S15 is built not just for speed, but for spectacle. The massive silhouette body, the sponsor livery, it's designed to look fantastic while deliberately sliding sideways at high speed. This diecast represents the need for public judges and crowd approval. Your achievement is validated by the judges' scores and the roar of the audience. It's fragile, it's intense, and every moment is a high-stakes battle for glory. This model reminds us that sometimes the greatest trophies are built on smoke, noise, and sheer artistic ambition.
Dalam gelap malam, cahaya mulai muncul. Rasa di dalam hati, tak bisa ku pendam. Kita berpacu, melawan waktu. Mencari arti di dunia yang penuh rahasia. Mencari arti di dunia yang penuh rahasia. Mencari arti di dunia yang penuh rahasia. Komunikasi tanpa kata, kita saling memahami. Bersama kita kuat, kita kan terus maju bersama. Kita terbang tinggi di antara bintang-bintang. Dalam setiap detikku rasakan energi. Tak perlu kata-kata, hanya kau dan aku. Dalam tiap langkah, tak ada yang pasti.
So we've seen three pathways to glory. The Z-Tune wins with perfection. The LBWK wins with controversy and defiance. And the Drift S15 wins with spectacular performance art. Which path to automotive glory speaks most to you? Are you a purist, a provocateur, or a performer? Tell me your choice in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to keep diving into the massive stories hidden in these small machines. Until the next battle.
Di dalam hati, kita kan terus mencari. Komunikasi tanpa kata, kita saling memahami. Bersama kita kuat, kita kan terus maju bersama. Kita terbang tinggi di antara bintang-bintang. Dalam setiap detikku rasakan energi. Tak perlu kata-kata, hanya kau dan aku. Di dalam hati kita temukan jalan menghadapi dunia dengan keyakinan.